Hello everyone, this is the unboxing video of Galaxy Note 20, which is a newly released Note by Samsung. And let's see what's in the package. So always takes more time to open it. Wow, the box looks awesome. And of course, I got a Moga XPS X controller with it, which I can connect with in the controller and use the phone with it as an Xbox cloud streaming device for playing Xbox games. Alrighty, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, this looks good. It's really big. It's 6.7-inch screen, and let's do the honor of removing the back screen and of course the front screen, and let's turn it on. Let's see what all we have gotten with it. Here I got a charger which says it's a super fast charging. Got, of course, I think it should be a SIM eject thingy. If not, nope, just an empty box to keep the packaging safe. And then I got a USB cable for this, for charging it, and that's about it, I guess. Yep, nothing else. All right, so let's go and set up the device. Of course, I'll have to accept everything. Next, connect with my I'll connect with the Wi-Fi. Next. Oh, and yes, here is the Note pen, which looks pretty sleek. It has Bluetooth in it, and looks like Samsung is updating the phone, and this is pretty sleek. So if you see, like, in my hand, it looks so tiny. And there is this button, of course, which is there in all the Note devices. There's this so there are two buttons, one button here and there. All right, so it's asking for me to copy the data from old device, but overall looks a pretty neat phone. I'll make another video showing the camera and other features, but so far it looks neat. They say that you can't leave the fingerprints here because nobody can copy your fingerprints for unlocking the device, which is a cool feature. And I'm gonna see you next in my next video. Thank you.